Yeah. I don't know, but what kind of bandage do you want? All right, well, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go find her and ask her if she wants any. No. Yeah, well. Yeah, well, I'm in the aisle right now, but I can't find anything. Yeah, there's some guy in the aisle next to me farting and crap. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, well. Yeah, it says Surf Ola Splash freshness enhancing. That's $4.47, and they have a whole bunch of. They have Gain over here. That's $10.97. Yeah. I'll get the Gain then. Well, that's $10.97. Sheer, just staple color. Well, I see, yeah, it says True Grit, Town. Those are the movies they have, but it says Hangover. It's $20. Dude, why'd you? Yo, I shouldn't have ate those beans last night, man. Those things were vile. What'd you put in them last night? Those beans were. Well, I mean.
That's why I can't come right now, because I hate to stay here looking for something.
Yeah, whatever you put in them, I don't know. Well, it's coming out.
No more. Good job. That was good. Have you ever played like Marco Polo?
Yeah, when I was a kid.
Okay. We're gonna play like Marco Polo. Let me like set the cameras up and stuff though. I'm gonna go and like hide.